Alright, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So I just want to share with you guys how I did this style. If you are new to my channel, then you know that this is probably my most favorite style to do on my hair because it is always super cheap, it's always easy and quick, and that is what I am always about. The hair that I use for this style is from the Shake and Go Freetress, and it is their 2-time Nubian spring twist. I was very prepared to use all 6 packs because I knew I was going to do a braided kind of style, like a twisted style like this. I was just very leery of the how much hair I guess would be in the individual twists. So I only ended up using 2 packs of hair for this style, and the price for this hair is about $6 or somewhere around there. So you can end up doing your whole head, having a really cute protective style for under $15. So as far as the hair goes, the hair was great. So whenever I have to break hair up, like split it apart, it doesn't always come out the easiest. 9 times out of 10, I end up throwing away a lot of hair because the hair, once you try and break it, it gets all tangled in a matted mess, and then you just throw it away and move on to the next strand. I swear to you guys, I promise, with this hair, I used the whole 2 packs. I used every single strand of the 2 packs, and I did not have to throw away anything. I was like, this is a moment because it has never ever happened to me in all my time of like split hair. So that's huge. I originally wanted to leave the hair like as is because I just like the look that's shown on the model on the pack, but it's 8 inches long and it does stretch very long. It stretches to maybe double, I would definitely say double that or a little bit more. However, 8 inches was just not work for me. I have a larger size head. I need about 10 to 12 inches, and I was like, that is a no-go. So this is what I came up with. This is also one of my favorite styles because, one, anybody can do it. It works for anyone, whether you are in the corporate environment, you are a stay-at-home mom, you are a teacher, you're whoever, you're going to a wedding, a special event. It really doesn't matter. This look is versatile, and anyone can do it. You don't need any special braiding skills or anything like that. You can do so many styles with this particular hair, and I really like the fact that it's 8 inches. The 8 inches works very well because you can leave it as is, or you can fluff it out and then it becomes a little bit longer, like you're able to stretch it. And I see this style, I see like this hair being used in so many ways. Like if you have your hair in a puff or a bun or something like that, you need a little bit extra fullness, you can add this hair. You can do your hair like this and twist it up. You can leave it as is. You can crochet it in and then separate it just for a bigger, full, natural hair type of look. So this hair is super versatile, you guys. It's super soft, it's very easy to split apart, like I said, and all around, I really like Shake and Go, period. Shake and Go was actually the first brand that I used when I did my first crochet video like 2 years ago or something like that. What did I use? Freetress, like water wave? I don't remember what it was, but I've always liked the brand. They always give really great quality, and I don't see it, there's no difference with this hair. So they did a really great job with it. So I actually want to do another giveaway. I love giveaways. I like to give things to you guys because I have enough, and it may just end up sitting here in my house, and I would rather someone else have it and try the style themselves. So I'm going to give away 2 packs of this spring twist hair from Freetress to someone. I'm also going to add everything that you're going to need to complete this style. So this braided style, so your edge control, your latch hook, and maybe I'll add something else in there too. So you're going to get a little bundle, and I'm going to make this super easy for you guys. No Instagram is needed for this giveaway. I just want you to please like this video, share as well if you can, but like this video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and down below in the comments section only just put enter me and I will enter you in the giveaway. The giveaway will be announced within 1 week. I will notify the winner down below in the comments section, And yeah, so yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for me speaking. Just keep watching. I'm going to show you guys just a few demonstrations on how I achieve this style. Very easy. So it's going to be pretty quick because it's just a very easy style, and like I said, anyone can do it in no time. So yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Keep watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. Alright guys, so I have a total of 38 braids in my hair. I parted everything with my hands, no tools, no neat parts or nothing like that. I personally always love this style without it being so neat, but that is up to you how you want to part it. Here is the strand. It's about the size of a pencil and it stretches like no other. You guys see how long it stretched, and this is the hair fluffed out. So this first braid, I'm going to put 2 strands of the twist through. I'm going to show you guys how it looks with double the strand and then the single strand, so it gives you an idea of how much hair you should possibly purchase. So here I'm just pulling it through. You could also keep the hair in its original state and then fluff it out after you have crocheted it all. However, I just fluffed it all out in one sitting so that things would go a little bit faster for me, but it's totally up to you. So there I'm just showing you guys how loose my braid is and how there's no tension on my edges, taking a little bit of jam and twisting it all through. I'm gonna hide my hair in the braid, which I'll show you how I did that a little bit later, but it's very easy to hide, especially because same color and this hair is a kinkier texture, so it was just no problem with hiding my natural hair in it. So here I'm just showing you again how it is, how the braid is going to look with just one single strand. So here, just crocheting it through the base, pulling it. You can still tell no tension on my edges, and I'm taking my natural hair and tucking it inside of the fluffed out twist, and then I'm just gonna 2-strand twist it all the way down, adding gel as I need to. With this hair, make sure either you are gonna twist loosely all the way down or you're gonna twist tightly. Don't break it up like I did, or else you'll end up with these little bubbles in your braid. So just keep it steady all the way through. So there I just showed you guys how it looks with double and then a single strand, and this is after 1 full pack of hair. I mixed up the strands, you guys. I did some strands with 2 and then some with 1. I mainly did single strands in the front of my hair, and I also prefer the single strands in the front a little bit better because I wanted to have some versatility with this style, not just put it up in a bun. And I just felt doing it this way just allowed me to be able to wear it down and just wear it different ways without the braids being too thick and having no choice but to keep it in a bun. So yeah, so here I'm just taking the main choice edge control and I'm just gonna do my edges really quickly. You guys always ask me how I do them or what I use. Just taking that, my edges are growing out so well. I've been using that Camille Rose whatever it is. Anyways, I've been using something by Camille Rose, and they're doing really well. So yeah, I was just like, I don't know how to do them anymore because they're getting so much longer than they typically have been. But yeah, so just taking some foam and lotion and gonna pop that on top and lay it down, and that's gonna be it for this style. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, put them down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.